Hello, I have to tell you something. After so many trips, difficulties, experiences, friends, challenges, unforgettable memories, and many more, I gotta say goodbye to the United States, what has been my home for almost 3 years. The United States has been the country that has seen me grow and change and turn into a completely new person. And it will always be part of my heart, along with all the people that has been around and has created such an unforgettable experience. First of all, I want to use this brief time to thank all the people that has been part of all this adventure, even if it's been for a short period of time. Thank you for being there. But wait, before leaving this country, I want to make one more announcement. I want to give one more shot of what this country is about. In a few days, I will be doing the greatest trip of my life. I will be visiting Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Utah, Nevada, and California in a 30+ day trip. Stay tuned, because this is the trip of my life. This is the last time of saying goodbye to such a beautiful country. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for being there. This has been unforgettable.